Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a drill press in the DIY world, the Einhell TE-BD 750. This sturdy machine promises power and precision. But how does it stack up against the competition, especially a boss model? That's what we're going to explore in this full presentation. If you're into DIY or looking for a reliable and high-performing tool, this video is for you. We're going over all the features of this drill and compare it to another popular model on the market. For those who want to get one, the link is in the description. At first glance, the Einhell TE-BD 750 impresses with its sturdy build. Weighing in at 44 kilograms, it's designed to stay put on a workbench, ensuring great stability, even during tasks that require pressure. Its construction combines cast iron and steel, materials that give it excellent robustness and longevity. Its sleek design includes a built-in LCD display, making it easy to adjust the settings in real time. The system to adjust the table and drilling is done with a rack and pinion, allowing for precise positioning easily. In addition, the tilting drilling table it's pivoting, and it's a real advantage for those working on pieces that require precise angled drilling. This flexibility is a major asset for adapting to different types of jobs. Power-wise, the Einhell TE-BD 750 has a 750-watt induction motor with adjustable speed from 450 to 2,500 revolutions per minute. Its main advantage is a speed variator which allows continuous adjustment with great precision. This feature significantly improves user comfort, especially for those who often have to adjust the speed depending on the materials being worked. The Einhell self-tightening chuck can accommodate drills from 1 to 16 millimeters. This provides greater compatibility with various types of tools. The depth stop is precisely adjustable, which is essential for serial drilling requiring constant measurements. Its built-in LED lighting makes it easier to work in low-light environments, although the lack of laser guidance might be a slight drawback for some. Another strong point is the protective cover for the belt, which prevents any accidental handling while it's in operation. When it comes to safety, this drill is equipped with an emergency stop button, ensuring optimal protection during use. In tests, the Einhell showed high accuracy. Thanks to its adjustable depth stop system, it allows for identical drilling with millimeter precision. One of the strengths of this machine is its operation quiet even at full speed thanks to its induction motor. Unlike some models that can generate significant vibrations, the Einhell ensures great stability and clean, precise drilling. Its heavy weight can be a drawback if you want to move it frequently, but it helps reduce vibrations and improve drilling accuracy. Moreover, the 2 Malawian Quachas chuck allows attachment of more tapered drill bits, adding more versatility to this machine. One point to note, the table tilt does not have a preset stop to ensure a perfect angle. This means that manual adjustment will be necessary to ensure proper alignment. This could be a slight drawback for some users who need absolute precision, right from the initial setup. On the safety front, the Einhell stands out with an adjustable spindle guard, providing better protection for the user while drilling. Its sturdy base also minimizes vibrations, ensuring cleaner and burr-free drilling. When you compare the Einhell to other drill presses in its category, it stands out for its sturdiness, power, and precision. Its speed controller is a real asset, allowing for precise and gradual adjustments without the need for any additional mechanical handling. This feature is appreciated by professionals and seasoned DIYers who are looking for flexibility in use and precise speed adjustments tailored to each material. Unlike some entry-level drills, they feature a solid construction made of cast iron and steel, ensuring increased durability and stability. Its quiet induction motor is also a notable advantage for workshops, where noise is a significant factor. In terms of functionality, it competes with much more expensive models while still being accessible to DIY enthusiasts. In conclusion, the Einhell is an excellent choice for those looking for a powerful, stable, and precise drill press. Its induction motor, large self-tightening chuck, and smooth speed controller make it a top-of-the-line machine in its category. Its continuous adjustment system, combined with its great stability, makes it a tool particularly suited for demanding tasks that require precision. The construction, made of cast iron and steel, ensures exceptional durability, allowing for heavy use without compromising reliability. If you're interested in this drill, you'll find the link in the description. Every click through this link helps the channel, and I thank you for that. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts. To like the video and subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.